quick ambrosia fruit salad. I start this with plenty of fruit, add the yogurt for dressing, then mix in just enough marshmallows and coconut so it tastes like the fresh and creamy version I grew up with. It's a well-loved recipe in my home now. Tricia Cruz, Eagle, Idaho. 1 can, 8¼ ounces, fruit cocktail, drained 1 can, 8 ounces, unsweetened pineapple chunks, drained 1 cup green grapes, 1 cup seedless red grapes, 1 cup miniature marshmallows, 1 medium banana, sliced 3/4 cup vanilla yogurt, 1/2 cup sweetened shredded coconut. Directions in a large bowl, combine all ingredients. Chill until serving. Nutrition facts: 3/4 cup, 191 calories, 4 grams fat, 3 grams saturated fat, 2 milligrams cholesterol, 48 milligrams sodium, 40 grams carbohydrate, 34 grams sugars, 2 grams fiber, 3 grams protein.